Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Transduction questions look scary, but this one is quick because you only need to track how new genetic material changes a virus and helps survival. Transduction means the virus picks up different alleles of viral genes or even host genes while infecting cells. So check this out. That directly introduces new genetic material into the virus. Once new genetic material is added, the viral genotype changes. And when genotype changes, the phenotype can change too, meaning the virus may gain traits that affect infection or survival. If a new trait helps the virus survive or spread better, natural selection can favor it, and that matches option C perfectly. Well done. Option C. Scan now. Avoid rushing past what benefit means. Trust the given biology and check the steps before choosing.